Hello, this is Emily and welcome back to my channel. Here we are on another port of call on our 11-day cruise south of Spain. We are in Agadir, Morocco. Agadir is a major city here on the shore of the Atlantic Ocean. Agadir is a tourist destination of Europe's rich and famous. It has everything that a tourist would want. People come here for the warm weather and the beach. Since we are here for only one day, we tried to visit as many sites as we can. There are three main places that is a must to see here, which I will show you. Our first place to explore is the Casbah. What is the Kasbah of Agadir? The landmark of what was once the fortress on top of a mountain that is 236 meters above sea level in the north part of Agadir, and it is near the port. Look at this up there. The Kasbah. The old town. On February 29, 1960 at 11:40 p.m., an earthquake struck Agadir at 5.7 magnitude. This killed 15,000 people and injured more than 25,000. The fortress was over 90% destroyed. The fortress was originally occupied by the Portuguese in 1505 until 1541, until the Saudi Sultan at the time successfully defeated the Portuguese. Today it is going through a major rehabilitation project. The Casbah has a unique panoramic view of the bay, the town, and the surrounding areas. They have cable cars which takes you from downtown to the top of the hill in just 5 minutes. It is a great place to view the area. Here's an explanation of the events and the construction details. Up here they have vendors selling souvenirs, and you get a chance also to ride camels up here, or you can go down the streets and ride them. Next stop is the Medina. They call this a medieval citadel. The original Medina was destroyed during the earthquake in the 1960s. This is a sightseeing experience you do not want to miss because of the many interesting designs of the building. It is a place where local artisans, painters, craftsmen, jewelers showcase their work. Wandering through this place gave me many inspiring ideas on how I would like my house to look and to decorate. Materials came from nearby this area, such as mud, wood, and stone. This Medina was the project of the Moroccan-born Italian architect Coco Polisi, who wanted to replace the Medina that was lost in the 1960s earthquake. As I wandered through the different alleyways, it was so awe-inspiring for me to see such work. It is a fascinating recreation of the original Moroccan Berber village. There are so many shops to explore. Some of these places are not only stores, but are also workshops where the artisans make their work. Our next stop is the Souk Al Had. This is a traditional market where you can find just about anything. Local people and travelers come to this place for spices, fruits and vegetables, furniture, clothing, jewelry, and a lot more. I think these ladies are making noodles. Lots of snack foods. A mountain of cooking utensils, glasses, dishes. Toys. A mountain of sandals and shoes. More snack foods. There are several souks here in Agadir, but this is the biggest of them all. It is a different shopping experience here. You can learn a lot about Moroccan culture. There are about 6,000 shops here and 13 hectares of property. Luggage and linens. Jewelry. There are a lot of knockoff brands that are being sold here, so beware. This is a distribution center where you can find the famous Argan Oil. It seems like all tourists come here and they are steered to go to a place like this because it's available for you to buy.
The kernel, it's inside the fruit, and the kernel, it's very strong. We have to break them between two stones to get the almond. So this is the almond, okay? They are inside, okay?
Can you eat them?
Yeah, we can eat them, but they are a little bit bitter, okay? So from this almond, we make two categories of argan oil. We make cooking argan oil and cosmetic argan oil. This one, it's cooking argan oil, and this is cosmetic argan oil. Cooking argan oil, we use it for dressing salad and any kind of food, and also very good against cholesterol and diabetic, and also good for cardiovascular problems and to lose weight.
Is it like vinegar?
It's oil.
No, it's not like
Oil.
vinegar. No, it's just oil. I will
Like
give
avocado
you after
oil or-
if you want to test. Okay, we drink 1 small spoon every day before breakfast. And the cosmetic one, we use it for skin, face, hair, wrinkles, brown spots, acne, and sunburns. And the difference between cooking argan oil and the cosmetic, for cooking one, we have to roast the almond, but the cosmetic, we don't roast the almond. Okay, you understand?
This one is to
This one is-
spray.
Yeah, it's spray.
This is pouring.
Yeah, but the difference is not this. The difference for the cooking one, the almond are roasted, okay? And the cosmetic, we don't roast the almond. They are pressed cold, okay?
So those are the three main places that I wanted to show you. There are a lot more to see here in Agadir. They have beautiful beaches. It just goes for miles and miles because we're right on the Atlantic Ocean. But that will be another time. It gives me an incentive to come back here and visit again. I was only here for one day, and that's all I can cover for today. Please look forward to my next video on another port of call. Our ship will be leaving here and we'll be heading to a new destination. So for now, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. and we'll see you again next time. So long.